Article 300.50 Raceways and cables outside and overhead addresses protection against physical damage. Section A states that raceways and cables installed outside of buildings or structures and not entered into the building shall be protected against physical damage. Section B, above ground conductors and cables, specifies that overhead conductors and cables not part of service drops shall be installed in accordance with the requirements of Part 3, Conductors outside buildings, of Article 225. Article 305.1 focuses on underground installations. Section A, General, mandates that direct buried conductors and cables shall be buried with a minimum cover of 24 inches of earth in normal soil, ploughed and cable excluded. Section D, Protection against damage, requires that direct buried cables and conductors shall be protected from damage in accordance with the requirements of Article 225. Article 225.29 Overhead conductors passing through trees states that overhead conductors shall be installed at least 10 feet above the ground at the point of attachment to the building and at least 12 feet above the ground elsewhere. Article 225.30 Temporary wiring. Section B clearly states that temporary wiring shall not be used for permanent installations. While the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly address laying primary voltage cables on top of the ground without conduit, the previously mentioned code sections offer general guidelines for safeguarding cables from physical harm, ensuring proper underground placement, and prohibiting the use of temporary wiring for permanent setups. The National Electrical Safety Code, or NEC, also provides guidance on the installation of overhead power lines. To report such issue, contact your local utility company. They might have their own internal policies or standards that prohibit this kind of installation. You may also contact your state utility commission, which might have oversight over electrical utilities and be able to investigate the matter. The Electrical Safety Foundation International, or SV, is a non-profit organization dedicated to promoting electrical safety. You can report electrical hazards to them by calling 800.368 5642 or by visiting their website at